In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document using DocuSign in just a few easy steps. Whether you're working from home, the office, or a coffee shop, signing documents electronically has never been easier, and DocuSign is a fantastic tool that makes this process smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in and get you familiarized with how to swiftly send a document using DocuSign. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Using Chrome is particularly beneficial because it's a reliable and commonly used browser that supports all of DocuSign's functionalities smoothly. Next, log into your DocuSign account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the easy sign-up process on the site. But if you're already registered, simply enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're in, it's time to start a new envelope. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is an envelope? Think of an envelope in DocuSign as a container for everything you need to send. This includes your document, recipient information, and the signature fields. So to start, click on the New button, which you should find quite easily on the DocuSign dashboard. This action prompts you to upload the document that you need to get signed. Whether it's a contract, an agreement, or a simple form, select the file from your computer and upload it into the envelope. With your document uploaded, the next crucial step is to add the email addresses of your recipients. Enter their details carefully to ensure that it reaches the right people. If you have multiple signers, you can add each one by selecting the appropriate role for each recipient. This keeps things organized and ensures that the document is signed in the order you specify. Next, it's time to add signature, initial, and date fields to your document. DocuSign's drag and drop tools make this process simple and intuitive. Click on the fields from the toolbox and drag them to the exact spots where you need your recipients to sign or fill out information. This is your opportunity to tailor the document specifically to your needs, ensuring that all the crucial parts are addressed. To make sure everything is perfectly aligned and positioned, take a moment to preview the document. DocuSign provides a simple preview feature, allowing you to see exactly how the document will appear to your recipients. Use this chance to double check that all fields are correctly placed and that nothing is missing. Finally, it's time to send your envelope. After verifying that all looks good, click the Send button. This action will dispatch your document to the specified recipients, allowing them to review and sign it at their convenience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully sent a document using DocuSign. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use DocuSign, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing.